What's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. As you could tell, it is raining and it's pretty nasty out right now, but I figured it'd be the perfect opportunity for me to take the 86 out on a little POV drive and have some fun. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get the car all started up and we'll head out. I don't know if any of you have ever had this same feeling before, but I haven't taken the 86 out to just go and drive it for probably at least like a month now, which sounds pretty crazy saying that out loud, but I've just been so busy with work that I just haven't had an opportunity just to really go out and just drive the car, which is exactly why I wanted to come out today. Even though it is raining and it is nighttime, I still felt like it would be a lot of fun just to take the car out and go drive it. Be a little bit more comfortable if I can actually see where the hell I'm going right now, bro. I can't even see anything. It's so dark out. Don't tell me, bro. Please don't tell me that's what I think it is right there. What is that right there? See anything too. This is kind of sketchy, bro. Never tried drifting on these tires before. They are so gripped up. Holy crap. Just gotta make sure I'm being careful. That's number one priority. Do like one or two more tries, then I'll chill out. Because I don't want to have anything bad happen, you know what I mean? Woohoo! like we haven't been here in a long time. Oh my gosh, bro. So I just made it to the gas station right now to fill up the car with some E85, but I think that's where I'm gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed and want to see more videos like this, please make sure you give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you're new, that way you can stay up to date on all the content that I post with my 86, just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.